Hey, what's up? It's your boy Sober. Kids, how you doing today? Well, today we're gonna start doing something. I don't know for those y'all. All right, let's start over again. I'm a speed painter or illustrator, if you will. So the main thing about me, I like to draw a lot, right? A lot. Anyway, I'm gonna stop looking in your ear like that. Listen, man, the video I did before called Designing a Character, How to OC. I was talking about how to make a character your own way, whether it's for a story or say an RPG campaign or a comic book or whatever. It doesn't matter. Whatever you want. The main thing is how to build a character. So today I'm gonna talk about similar things. So instead of building a character, it's how to build a character personality. All right? You see what I'm saying? The personality of the character. You get me? So here's how it works. When you make a character, you gotta be sure that, well, number one, they're interesting. Make them interesting. If they're not interesting, there is no point at all. Stop wasting your time right there. Okay? Just stop, bro. Another thing about when you make your own character, when you make them, you gotta be sure that what they do or how they function makes sense. So what I suggest you is make a Bible, the character Bible. You ever heard that term? What that is like your step by step for each character that you're doing, or whatever character you're focusing on. So my character Noah Ark, he has this distinct fear of commitment, just any commitment. He's a great guy, but when it comes to commitment, he seems to falter there. See what I'm saying? Or other things too. Like I made little quirks about his background. Like for example, his entire family is cursed. Quote unquote, the curse. You know what I'm saying? Kind of curse, like something just some shit always be happening to the family at all times. I don't know what it is. It's something different every time, man. And it just gets weirder or more distinct. I don't know, man. It just gets weird. You know what I mean? It gets weird. I don't get it either. It just gets weird, bro. That's weird, bro. But I don't get it. Yeah, when I was going through this, I was making this. By the way, in the background, if you haven't figured it out already, I'm doing all that. That's me. That's all that ish is me. All that in the background. The cool little designs right here. I'm doing facial expressions because I think a facial expression should also represent a character. See what I'm saying? So when a character is feeling happy, sad, mad, glad, angry, whatever, it doesn't matter. It should always focus on how the character will react to something. It's all about reaction and context of what's going on at the time. So when you build a personality, for example, you gotta be sure, like I said, besides the character Bible, which I actually love, by the way, another thing you gotta focus on is make sure that the character, when they react to something, that it makes sense. So it's always about reactions and context. So it could be a case-by-case kind of bias. Great example, my character Noah Ark, that's also a character I'm drawing in the background as well, by the way. His main thing that I always try to put in is either he always has this little accent he always go by, brother, all the time. You know what I'm saying, brother? Oh yeah, bro. And there's other times where he gets more serious. That southern nature of him just fades. He goes into this horrible version of himself that he absolutely hates. So always make sure the character always looks happy at all times, because when he goes to anger mode, that's when you take him serious. That's when you know shit about to get real quick. All right, real quick. Yeah, I want you to try to think about this when you're making a character for anything, man. It could be for a game, it could be for a story, a comic, a webtoon, whatever the hell. It doesn't matter what it is. You gotta always focus on these main tips for when you make a character. See what I'm saying? You gotta always focus on who they are, both outside and inside. Because remember, there's always the rules of three. There's always the face you show to everybody, right? That's the outward look. The inside life of you, which is how you really feel inside. And then there's another life of you where you kind of explore the parts of you where you may not talk about out loud. See what I'm saying? Maybe just don't. Just don't do it. Yeah, that's how I see things. So anyway, remember to subscribe to the channel when you can. I hope you subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, remember to join the channel when you can. And if you want to get an archivist from me, I'm going to flash across the screen right there. Big old letters. You'll probably see it flying away somewhere. Go there. I'm done saying the words again. All right, just go there. I'll also flash on the screen. I'll probably leave a link in the descriptions below too for everything. That includes my website as well, which is soulstarsketch.com. All right, I want you to take care. Have a beautiful day, people. And please click on this video. Soulstar is out. Peace.